guys. Good morning, guys, and I just woke up. I'm gonna go to my room now. This is my room, where my brother and sister are too. This is gonna hurt my eyes. Ah! Ooh, person. Okay, so since it's very sunny today, I'm just gonna stay by the sun, and it's beautiful. I know you want to see, but you guys can see. Did I see the awesome sun? Okay, you guys really can't see my face that much, so I'm gonna just have to do. Okay, I can't. Just do this. Trampoline. I'm actually jumping right now. We're spinning around in circles.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Stop recording. Stop looking.
I'm not recording. I'm recording myself. Look. It's like taking a picture. I'm going to. Oh! I'm going on my bed. Woo! I got all my teddy weddies. Teddy weddy. Teddy weddy, so soft. Okay, guys, I'm going to sleep. Just kidding. I'm going to show you guys how to do yoga. I'm just going to be stretching here because I have my dance. And I'm just going to be stretching. I got on my back like 5 times already. So I'm trying to get some more. I just love cracking my back. Yeah, this is a good way to crack your back, if you like it. So, here's a good way. So you can just get your foot, it's flat and straight. And then you just do this, and then just put it on the floor. Ooh. It cracked like twice already. Ooh. Ooh. I did that a lot of times. Let's just make some more room. And my cozy rosy bed up there. And I just moved back. Ow, I hit my head. Okay. That is how you crack your back. Also, you could do it like this. Also, you could do the bridge. That's another good way how to do it. And another good way to do it is this. Leaning on something and then just going over it. I'm going to take this, for example. My back's going to be on baby on it. Yeah. My back is on it right now. This is mostly like the bridge, but you don't hold it. Like you just have to do it like this. And then, oh. And then you just, whoa. That's another good way to do it. And, yeah. I might have breakfast right now. I'm just saying this is a cut. This is a cut. I don't know how I got it. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna do one more way how to crack your back. Whoa! Wing on! Squishmallow! Pootie! No. I do have dance today. Okay. So let's just do one more way. Another way is to, well, the only way I can think of that we did do it is this way. Oh. Okay, right back a lot of times what I was doing. Okay. Oops. Here we go. Okay, there. So those are all the ways to do it. Okay, guys. Goodbye.